Okay, so question is like this. An aeroplane flies 60 kilometer from A to B. Okay, so initially you have to understand aeroplane is at point A and it is traveling from A to B in the distance of 60 kilometer with the angle 70 degree. So the first angle is 70 degree and then 90 kilometer from B to C. Later on again, after reaching to point B, the aeroplane is traveling from B to C. So make a vision, okay, inside your mind from A to B and then B to C in the bearing of 105 degrees. So while it goes from B to C, it is making the angle of 105 degree. Represent this information by drawing in a scale of 1 centimeter equals to 10 kilometer. So means 60 kilometer means 6 centimeter we have to draw. So this is the scaling which is given to you. You need to understand every 1 centimeter covers 10 kilometers. So right now if 60 kilometer means 6 centimeter, that you need to understand. So while doing, we will follow and answer the following question. Okay, why this scaling is given? Because 10 kilometer is not possible from this small ruler, isn't it? So our 1 centimeter makes 10 kilometer. Okay, so right now, okay. So all of you, let's begin. I can write the information. A to B, 60 kilometer, which means 6 centimeter. Okay, which means 6 centimeter in our copy. And then angle while traveling from A to B is it is 70 degree. 070 it's written. I'm going to write 70 degree only. Okay, you can write at 70 degree. And again, then it will change B to C. It is how much kilometer?
Do you need to write this?
B to C. B to C is 90 kilometer at 105 degree. So first you have to make one baseline like this, all of you, dotted baseline, okay? So all of you do this step. Okay, then after making that dotted line, okay, I'm using this point to make 90 degree here. So you also do like this. And okay, so 90 degree means this is your 90 degree point. And this line is going to be north, first north line, okay, N. Okay, I'm going to, I have to, because this point is point A, okay, actually you need to understand this is your first point A. So from this point A, your aeroplane is flying towards this direction by making how much angle according to the question? 70 degree, and it's 60 kilometer it's going on. So first we need to 70 degree. We have to make 70 degree. So I'm going to place my protector. See, vertically I'm making my bringing my protector center to this point A and overlapping that north point like this. Okay. Okay, now after that we have to make 70 degrees. So 70 degree is okay. See just upper part of your protector. Okay, because we are making the angle from the downward direction. That's why you have to see the upward part. That means 70 degrees at this point, isn't it? So I'm marking 70 degree here, and I'm going to make. Okay, so I have to make the line like this. And okay, so this is 70 degree is done. So all of you, did you make 70 degree like this? I have to mark my point B on this line, but where to mark? Now that is the question. Here I have written 6 centimeter. So take your ruler, measure 6 centimeter, and that point is going to be okay. Can you see 6 centimeter? So I can clearly see my 6 centimeter from I'm placing my 0 point at point A, and when I place my ruler like this, I get my point. So this is going to be my point B. All right. Okay, now what I have to do is I have to make so another parallel line north, this is north line 2. Okay, my this drawing has crossed the cohesion, so I think I should have drawn little bit downward, but that doesn't make any difference. So next north line also has been drawn. How did I
Sir,
draw?
how long should 110-degree be?
Okay, now 110-degree I have drawn like this. See, I place my protector like this. Again I'm repeating, and then I found 110-degree like this, isn't it? I see the upper part of my protector and then 110-degree. And now next question to you, why 110-degree only I selected? I use the concept of co-interior because this angle definitely, according, if these two are parallel, so the concept of co-interior, which we used in geometry, which we have learned in geometry, definitely, if this angle is 70, then this should be the remaining of 180 minus 70. That's why 110-degree was selected. Okay, remember this important concept. Some suppose, for an example, if here was 60-degree, then which angle should I have drawn? Okay, this question for you all. Can you write in the chat?
120.
So now from this point, I have to draw. Okay, this extra line has come. I can rub this extra line, so that thing will be clear. Let me do that. So I'm drawing this extra line with my eraser so that. Okay, now remember बीबाट सीमा आउँदैछ सी भने तलतिर जान्छ 105 degree भनिरहेछ. Okay, now I have to place my project like I drew for 70 degree like this. Now again I have to come at this point, हैन. अब 105 degree चाहियो भने त मलाई second angle 105 degree छ यहाँनिर. Okay, now I'm going to draw 105 degree. So I'm placing my protector like this, and 105. When I see, you have to see the top part of your protector. So that is 105 कहाँ छ भन्दा 100 माथिबाट हेर 90 100 105 भने चाहिँ यो पोइन्टमा पर्यो हो. Okay, let me draw the line passing from this 105 degree. Okay, copy my. Okay, now tell me what distance should I make from B to C according to the question? 90 kilometer. So can I draw 90 kilometer using my ruler? No. So it means it is 9 centimeter because the scaling was already given. So take your ruler, measure 9 centimeter. Okay, my goodness, question is not fitting here. What to do now? Okay, anyway, I'm showing like this. Okay, my question is crossing the copy, but anyway, I can manage it. So if make sure next time it won't happen. Okay, 9 centimeter भनेपछि यो point तिर पर्यो है. So this is my point C. I think I should have not. Sorry?
So the 105 degree, we have to follow the upper one, no?
You know how long?
Join A to C and then you will get your distance. Okay, then you can write. So distance.
14.4.
Yes, distance from A to C is. Okay, so distance from, again I'm explaining. So distance from A to C, I have to measure like this point A and C, and it will come almost like 14.4. Okay, it is actually 14.4 centimeter, and we have to again convert it into kilometer. For that, I just need to multiply 14.4 into 10. Okay,